नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण बघणार आहोत सायन्स 2 6 नंबरचं चॅप्टर ॲनिमल क्लासिफिकेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. आयडेंटिफाय मी. A. I am a diploblastic and a columate. Which phylum do I belong to? Answer is Coelenterata and Cnidaria. B. My body is radially symmetrical. Water vascular system is present in my body. I am referred as fish, though I am not. What is my name? Answer is starfish. C. I live in your small intestine. Pseudocoelum is present in my thread-like body. In which phylum will you include me? Answer is Aschelminthus. D. Tough, I am multicellular. There are no tissues in my body. What is the name of my phylum? Answer is Porifera. Question number 2. Write the characters of each of the following animals with the help of classification chart. Bath spongy, grasshopper, rohu, penguin, frog, lizard, elephant, jellyfish. 1. Bath sponge. Answer. Classification. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Non-chordata, phylum Porifera. Character do not show locomotion. Second, reproduction is by budding. Third, good regeneration capacity. 4. Bath sponge is a marine animal. 5. It has porous and asymmetrical body. Second, grasshopper. Answer. Classification. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Non-chordate, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta. Characters 1. Chitinous exoskeleton. Second, respiration is by trachea. 3. Grasshopper is a terrestrial insect. 4. Body divided into head, thorax and abdomen. 5. 3 pairs of jointed appendages and 2 pairs of wings. 3 number Rohu. Answer. Classification. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Pisces. Characters 1. Respiration through gills. 2. Presence of scales on body. 3. Rohu is a freshwater bony fish. 4th, shape of the body is streamlined. And 5. Pair fins and a unpaired caudal fin. 4. Penguin. Answer. Classification. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Aves. Characters oviparous, warm-blooded bird. 3rd, exoskeleton of feathers. 4. Forelimbs are modified into wings. And 5. Neck present between head and trunk. 5. Frog. Answer. Classification. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Amphibia. Characters tympanum present. 2. Digits without claws. 3rd, external air is absent. 4. Skin without exoskeleton. 5. Frog can live on land as well as water. 6. Lizard. Answer. Classification. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Reptilia. Characters cold-blooded reptile. 2. Ability to regenerate. 3rd, external air is absent. 4. Mode of reproduction is egg laying. 5. Body divisible into head, neck and trunk. 7. Elephant. Answer. Classification. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia. Characters. Heart is four-chambered. 2. Proboscis modified nose. 3. Shows viviparity and milk secretion. 4. Body divisible into head, neck, trunk and tail. 5. Elephant is the terrestrial herbivorous mammal. 8. Jellyfish. Answer. Classification. Kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Non-chordate, phylum Cnidaria and Coelenterata. Characters. Body is medusa shape. 2. Tentacles are used for catching prey. 3rd, body is radially symmetrical and diploblastic. 4. Tentacles have pseudoblasts and stinging cells which secrete toxin paralyzing the prey. Third, write in brief about progressive changes in animal classification. Answer. There were different methods of classification of animals. First, the first classification method was given by the Greek philosopher Aristotle. He took into account the criteria like body size, habits, and habitats of the animals. This method was called artificial method of classification. Second, the same artificial method was used by other scientists such as the Theophrastus, Finney, John Ray, Linnaeus, etc. 3. Further, due to advance in science, the differences were changed and there were some new methods of classification proposed. 4. The system of classification called natural system of classification was then proposed. This system of classification was based on criteria such as body organization, types of cells, chromosomes, biochemical properties, etc. 5. Later, Dobzhansky and Mayer gave the system of classification based on evolution. 6. In 1977, Carl Woese has also proposed the three-domain system of animal classification. 4. What is the exact difference between grades of organization and symmetry? Explain with examples. Answer is 1. The exact difference between grades of organization and symmetry is that body organization is the arrangement of smaller units into larger ones, whereas body symmetry is the number of symmetrical parts. Second, it can be explained with help of following examples. In case of flatworms, they show tissue organ grade organization in which tissues are organized to form some organs. However, flatworms are bilaterally symmetrical, that is, there is only one imaginary axis through which one can get two equal heads. Answer in brief. A. Give scientific classification of shark up to class. Answer is Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, class Pisces, subclass Elasmobranchi, cartilaginous. Scientific name Scoliodon cercova, common name shark. B. Write four distinguishing characters of phylum Echinodermata. Answer 1. Body of animals belonging to phylum Echinodermata is composed of calcareous spines, hence they are called as echinoderms. Second, they are exclusively found in the ocean. 3. Animals that belong to phylum Echinodermata are triploblastic, ecoilomate, and radially symmetrical. Larval forms, however, are bilaterally symmetrical. Tube feet is used for locomotion and capturing the prey. 5. These animals have a good ability of regeneration. C. Distinguish between butterfly and bat with the help of four distinguishing properties. Answer is butterfly and bat. 1. Butterfly belongs to phylum Arthropoda and bat belongs to phylum Chordata. Butterfly has jointed appendages and bat does not have jointed appendages. Butterfly has four wings for flying and bat has patagium that functions as a wing. Butterfly body is divisible into head, thorax and abdomen and bat body is divisible into head, neck, trunk and tail. Butterfly exoskeleton is chitinous and bat exoskeleton is in the form of hairs. D. To which phylum does cockroach belong? Justify your answer with scientific reasons. Answer. Cockroach belongs to phylum Arthropoda. Second, scientific reasons for placement of cockroach in the phylum Arthropoda. 3. Cockroach has jointed appendages. 4. The body of cockroach is triploblastic, eucoelomate, bilaterally symmetrical, segmented, and divisible into head, thorax, and abdomen. 5. Its exoskeleton is chitinous. 6. Give scientific reasons. A. Tough tortoise lives on land as well as in water. It cannot be included in class Amphibia. Answer is when tortoise lives on land, it respires with the help of lungs. When in water, it puts out its nares out of the water and breathes air. Thus, in both the habitats, it respires with the help of lungs. Second, in case of true amphibians, this is not the case. They can breathe in water with the help of skin and on land with the help of lungs. Third, tortoise also has exoskeleton which is lacking in amphibia. Therefore, tortoise cannot be included in class Amphibia. B. Our body irritates if it comes in contact with jellyfish. Answer is 1. Jellyfish is a coelenterate that has pseudoblast bearing tentacles. Second, these pseudoblasts inject toxins to paralyze the prey at the time of feeding. Third, when jellyfish comes in contact with our body, this toxin is released, causing reaction to our skin. 4. Therefore, our body gets irritation when we come in contact with jellyfish. C. All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Answer is 1. Presence of notochord is a characteristic feature of all chordates. Second, all chordates passes notochord in some period of their development. Third, all vertebrates also have notochord during embryonic life, which is later replaced by vertebral column. Therefore, all vertebrates are chordates. 4. But some chordates like Urochordata and Cephalochordata do not possess vertebral column and hence they are not vertebrates. D. Melanoglossus is connecting link between non-chordates and chordates. Answer is Melanoglossus shows some characters of non-chordates. Second, it also has notochord as in case of chordates. Third, since it shares the characters of non-chordates and chordates, from the viewpoint of evolution, it is called connecting link between them. E. Body temperature of reptiles is not constant. Answer. Reptiles are cold-blooded animal. Second, the thermoregulatory system is not there in their bodies. Third, their body temperature depends directly on the external surroundings. Fourth, thus the body temperature of reptiles is not constant. 7. Answer the following questions by choosing correct option giving explanation. A. Which special cells are present in the body of sponges porifera? First, collar cells, though cnidoblast. Third, germ cells. 4. Ectodermal cells. Answer is collar cells. Explanation. Porifera animals are attached to the substratum. They do not show locomotion for gathering and catching the food. They need to produce a current in the water. For this purpose, they have characteristic color cells in their body. Which of the following animals' body shows bilateral symmetry? First, starfish. Second, jellyfish. Third, earthworm. Fourth, sponge. Answer is earthworm. Explanation. When an imaginary plane passing through only one axis can divide the body into two equal halves, then it is called bilateral symmetry. Such symmetry is shown only by earthworm. C. Which of the following animals can regenerate its broken body part? 1. Cockroach. 2. Frog. Third, sparrow. Fourth, starfish. Answer is starfish. Explanation. Only echinoderms show power of regeneration, so only starfish can regenerate its broken part. D. Bat is included in which class? 1. Amphibia. 2nd. Reptilia. 3rd. Aves. 4. Mammalia. Answer is Mammalia. Explanation. Bat gives birth to young ones and they also possess mammary glands. Therefore, bat is included in Mammalia. 8. Complete the following chart. Body cavity, germ layer, phylum. Absent, germ layer, absent. Phylum, Porifera. Body cavity, absent. Germ layer, triploblastic. And phylum, Platyhelminthes. Pseudocoelom, germ layer, triploblastic. And phylum, Aschelminthes. Body cavity present, germ layer, triploblastic. And phylum, Arthropoda. पुढचा आहे सायक्लोस्टोमेटा टाइप. कॅरेक्टर jawless, mouth with suckers. Example Petromyzon. Type pieces. Character gill respiration. And example shark. Type amphibia. Character live on land and water. Example frog. Type mammalia. Character mammary gland. Example whale. Type reptilia. Character poikilocerms. And example lizard. Question number 10. Sketch, label and classify. Hydra, jellyfish, planaria, roundworm, butterfly, earthworm, octopus, starfish, shark, frog, wall lizard, pigeon. फर्स्ट आहे हायड्रा. तर बघा डायग्राम दिलेली आहे. आपण बघूयात क्लासिफिकेशन. किंगडम ॲनिमलिया, डिव्हिजन नॉनकॉर्डेटा, फायलम कॉयलेंटेराटा. 2. जेलीफिश. बघा जेलीफिश ची डायग्राम आहे. त्यामध्ये बेल, ट्यूब, मसल रिंग, टेंटॅकल्स, ओरल आर्म्स, गोनॅड्स, इंटेस्टिन अँड माउथ हे दाखवले आहे. आपण बघूया क्लासिफिकेशन. किंगडम ॲनिमलिया, डिव्हिजन नॉनकॉर्डेटा, फायलम कॉयलेंटेराटा. थर्ड आहे प्लॅनेरिया. त्यामध्ये फॅरिंग्स, गॅस्ट्रोव्हॅस्क्युलर कॅव्हिटी, माउथ, आय स्पॉट, गँग्लिया, नर्व कॉर्ड. क्लासिफिकेशन बघूया. किंगडम ॲनिमलिया, डिव्हिजन नॉनकॉर्डेटा, फायलम प्लॅटीहेल्मिन्थस. फोर्थ आहे राऊंडवर्म. बघा डायग्राम मध्ये काय काय आहे त्याचं. माउथ, जेनिटल अपर्चर, माउथ, मेल ॲस्केरिस, होल, टेल. फिमेल ॲस्केरिस मध्ये होल, टेल. क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये किंगडम ॲनिमलिया, डिव्हिजन नॉनकॉर्डेटा अँड फायलम आस्केलमिन्थस. फिफ्थ नंबरला आहे बटरफ्लाय. त्याचे पार्ट्स कोणते आहेत. अँटिना, हेड, ॲब्डोमेन, थॉरॅक्स, विंग्स. क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये किंगडम ॲनिमलिया, डिव्हिजन नॉनकॉर्डेटा, फायलम आर्थ्रोपोडा अँड क्लास इन्सेक्टा. 6 नंबरला आहे अर्थवर्म. पार्ट्स कोणते कोणते आहेत त्याला. माउथ, सिटेलम, सेगमेंट, ॲनस. क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये किंगडम ॲनिमलिया, डिव्हिजन नॉनकॉर्डेटा, फायलम ॲनेलिडा. 7 नंबरला आहे ऑक्टोपस. पार्ट्स कोणते कोणते आहेत. आईज, सकर, टेंटॅकल्स, सिफॉर्म. क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये किंगडम ॲनिमलिया, डिव्हिजन नॉनकॉर्डेटा, फायलम मोल्युस्का. 8 नंबरला आहे स्टारफिश. स्टारफिशचे पार्ट्स बघा. सेंट्रल डिस्क प्रेझेंट, ट्यूब फीट, स्पाइन्स, आर्म्स. क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये किंगडम ॲनिमलिया, डिव्हिजन नॉनकॉर्डेटा, फायलम इकायनोडर्मेटा. 9th नंबरला आहे शार्क. शार्कचे पार्ट्स कोणते कोणते आहेत. आईज, माउथ, लॅटेरल लाईन, डॉर्झल फिन, कॉडल फिन, व्हेंट्रल फिन, पेल्विक फिन, पेक्टोरल फिन, जिल स्लिट्स. क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये बघूयात. किंगडम ॲनिमलिया, फायलम कॉर्डाटा, सबफायलम व्हर्टिब्रेटा, क्लास पिसेस. 10th नंबरला आहे फ्रॉग. तर बघा फ्रॉगचे पार्ट्स कोणते कोणते आहेत. नेअर्स, माउथ, टिम्पॅनम, ट्रंक, सॉफ्ट स्किन, फोरेआर्म, लेग. क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये बघूयात. किंगडम ॲनिमलिया, फायलम कॉर्डाटा, सबफायलम व्हर्टिब्रेटा अँड क्लास ॲम्फिबिया. 11th नंबरला आहे वॉल लिझार्ड. तर डायग्राम मध्ये बघा कोणते कोणते पार्ट्स दाखवलेले आहेत. आईज, स्केली स्किन, टेल, लेग. क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये बघूयात. किंगडम ॲनिमलिया, फायलम कॉर्डाटा, सबफायलम वर्टिब्रेटा, क्लास रेप्टिलिया. 12 पिगिऑन. पार्ट्स कोणते आहेत त्याचे? हेड, आईज, नेक, बीक, क्लॉज. क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये बघूयात किंगडम ॲनिमलिया, फायलम कॉर्डाटा, सबफायलम वर्टिब्रेटा अँड क्लास एव्ज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. लेबल द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट नंबरला आहे जेलीफिश, प्लॅनेरिया, नेरेसिस, बोनीफिश. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.